Okay, so, what's up?
Well, you picked me up with your camera and all these people, so, I'm assuming I'm getting a car.
Okay, well, I got a surprise for you. Guess whose it is?
I don't know, Dylan. Is it mine?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
You're so lucky. You're so lucky.
No way!
Greg,
Oh my
Greg,
god!
you're so lucky.
Oh my god!
Greg,
All
you're
right,
so
okay, all right.
lucky.
Come on, guys. Jesus. Now, Dylan, while this is a super nice thing you've done, hey, wait. Don't do that. But this is the 6th car you've given me.
Oh my god!
Six
Where
cars!
am
You
I?
guys got me 6
Where
cars!
am I?
I've only been
I
buying
don't know
3
where
cars.
I am.
He's butting us all multiple cars. How many cars is it gonna take until it's not surprising anymore? I mean, I get you want to have a reaction for the video, but holy fuck! Let's ease up on the cackling and cheering for 5 fucking minutes. That's all I ask. Now, Dylan, I appreciate it. I just can't afford the insurance and property taxes on all these Lamborghinis, man. I push carts at Target, for God's sakes. Do you know how obnoxious I look driving a neon green Lamborghini to a minimum wage job? It's horrible. I can't sell them because you've leased all of these cars under your name. So now I have crippling debt and 6 Lamborghinis. Who would want that, Dylan? Who? Tell me.
What are you trying to say, Greg? What are you trying to say?
Honestly, what I'm saying is, I don't want this car. Or any of the cars you've given me. You fucked me, Dylan. I'm totally fucked.
What's your name?
What are you even talking about? My name is Greg.
Wrong! What's your name?
I don't know what you want
Your
me to
name's Dylan's friend! Your existence is being my friend! When people think of you, they really think of me. And that's who you are now.
Fuck this. I'm getting out of here, man.
Dylan, no!
I have absorbed his nutrients.
No one will refuse my generosity again. Right?
Yeah,
No,
right?
no,
I
tell
wanna
me
suck
what
your
you're
dick,
saying.
Dylan.
Oh, this is so
Dylan,
cool.
oh my
Generous,
God,
bro.
you're so
Oh my
hot.
God. Yeah, good. Now get up here and feed. Yeah, there's enough to go around. Come on. Easy. There's plenty to go around.